The California Department of Public Health has issued guidelines for elementary schools that want to obtain a waiver allowing them to teach in person. A new threshold has been set forth for elementary schools who want to obtain that waiver. 23 ABC's Bain Froney spoke with the Kern County Department of Public Health as well as the Kern County Superintendent of Schools to find out if Kern County schools are eligible to receive these waivers. Bain?
That's right, Jess. Just last week, a few schools were actually interested in these in-person learning waivers. As of right now, though, Kern County does not meet the requirements for schools to actually utilize these waivers.
We had some interest in such a waiver from some of our smaller rural districts, but in reviewing the guidance and the criteria that was released yesterday, it does not appear that Kern County would be eligible for any such waiver.
In March, because of the COVID-19 pandemic, schools in California were instructed to teach through distance learning. But with summer over and schools starting again, counties like Kern, who are on the monitoring list, have been advised to continue with distance learning, but gave school districts a chance to obtain a waiver, allowing them to reintroduce in-person learning if they meet a specific threshold for elementary students, kindergarten to 6th grade.
Unfortunately, Kern County does not meet that threshold right now.
According to the waiver guidelines, if the county has more than 200 cases of COVID-19 per 100,000 people, the school cannot be considered for the waiver. Right now, Kern County is averaging 400 cases per 100,000 people. But the Kern County Department of Public Health is determined to work with schools who are still interested in this waiver for the future.
What we are currently doing is we're making sure that these schools know that this waiver exists, this application process exists. We're answering questions. They can begin investigating what would this process look like.
For schools that are looking to apply for this waiver in the future, their reopening plans have to follow specific procedures such as disinfecting community areas as well as healthy hygiene practices approved by the California Department of Public Health.
We'll continue to work with our partners at Kern County Public Health and for their further guidance and insight to see if there's any type of variance that will be allowed in the waiver process for those districts who might want to apply.
As of right now, schools must conduct distance learning up until Kern County is off the monitoring list for 14 consecutive days, and that they also meet the waiver requirements. For more information, you can head to our website, turner23.com. For now in Bakersfield, I'm Bain Froney, 23 ABC, connecting you.